Every morning, a colourful parrot named Pico would squawk with absolute joy as he watched the sunrise. He loved seeing the sky explode with vibrant colours. But one morning, the sky was just a dull, sad grey. Everyone in the forest felt gloomy, their usual energy completely gone. Seeing his friends so down, Buggo had a brilliant idea. He flew down to the flower fields, dipped his bright feathers into the colourful petals, and soared back up. High above the trees, he shook his wings, sending a shower of vibrant petal dust into the air. It was like a rainbow firework. The other birds chirped in total awe, and a wave of cheer washed over the forest. Pico laughed and said, "See, if the day isn't beautiful, you just have to make it beautiful." And everyone learned that day that positivity is a choice, and sometimes you have to be the one to paint your own sunshine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories.